What's up, everybody? Justin Tuminowski coming at you from Deal Sauce. Hey, we're on 2.0. If you haven't heard, now you know. So check it out. What I want to show you is some of the cooler features and some of the evolution, where folks that when you start to do real estate or you have the funds to invest in yourself and invest in the tools, these are some of the extra tools that we're building. We've had these before and we've just evolved and kept on improving them. So, all right, hot leads. Let's actually do this. Let's do owner search. And the original version for this, we love the owner search. Now, owner search will be available for your one-off searches in your market. So again, mild subscription, you can still do owner search. What I'm going to do for folks is I'm going to start making some of these that are in the hot package. I want them to have some of these quick and easy buttons, things that make life a lot easier, right? So let's check it out. For instance, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to name my search. Let's just do test Justin. It's Maricopa County because we have the county selected. Now, I want to go find wholesalers right now because why? Maybe I want to call them up for a top tier TC, my business, and I want to ask them, hey, I see you buying deals. You're a wholesaler, you're a buyer, you're a builder, you're in the property game, you have rentals, you transact real estate. Are you just using a title company and yourself and not leveraging someone else that's their job, that's their expertise, is to make sure you're protected, make sure the transaction runs smooth, to check up on it. TCs are like a gift from God, honestly. And before I would do all the paperwork, all the emails, all the things. Today, I had my TC called me. She's like, hey, I see your schedule. You're going to be there at 10:30. Stay put. I have a notary coming for you at 10:30. I just sat there, had my license and a pen, and I just signed paperwork, closed the deal. That was it. She left. All the paperwork's done, all the emails, dropping in the UPS next day. Amazing stuff. All right. Find wholesalers. And I want corporate owned. I want those people to be a business owner. And let's go hit search. So right now we are looking for wholesalers in Maricopa County, Arizona. So we just went over 43,000 properties, probably more. All right, here we go. All right, so check this out. We have 2,200 owners, matching owners with properties. 60,000 properties were scanned. We have a match value of over $2 billion. All right, let's go down the list. Holdings is probably a big name, and you can remove any of these names if you so choose, but I wanted you guys to have all of the wholesaler type buyer individual names. So let's go into, I can do filter by name. So let's just go under buyer. All right, look at that. Pretty dope. So we just brought up this list of AMN home buyers, Hassel, home buyer, Phoenix, Tool, home sweet buyers. I've seen all these names. How many matched properties, how many they own, all right, where they're doing deals. So let's go into this one. I've seen home sweet home buyers. I like that. Check it out. Here's a deal they've done. Now they're on record as a deeded owner on this one. So home sweet home buyer, but all right, we verified that. Check this out. Because often skip tracing, we could try to skip trace this and it could bring up the business. So I just hit that button. It auto populates in all these different areas. I want business and name, but let's try to run the business right now. Let's see what it comes back as. There's no guarantees. I'll look at that. So managing member. We have Terry, Cheryl, and Tom. Now, trust but verify. Again, anonymity is usually what people want when they have their LLCs. Now, when we're looking for wholesalers, still you want some anonymity. However, they want to be found because they want property sellers to call them. But at the click of a button, we just gave you reverse searched 411. I can go into any one of these people and go deep dive. Now, pay attention to the last scene on when they had their cell phones checked. Obviously, 2025, that goes the same for all of these individuals. Not only are we giving you the info, we're giving you all the infos. This is one property search, and we're giving you so much data, more than any other provider is ever going to give you. So that's why I told you, if you guys know this, Deal Sauce is taking the handcuffs off. We do this business. We want to give you guys all the tools to be successful because we all get successful together, right? Just the way it works. So I want to get you guys so much information. Cool. Go back to owners. Andrew, the home buyer. What if we couldn't find Andrew, the home buyer? Well, Andrew, the home buyer is a G. He's buying a lot of properties. This is showing up as his mailing address, but these are all the other deals that he actually owns. But check this out. We're going to try to give you any distress flags. So stay tuned on that. Estimated values. Let's look at, what if we couldn't get Andrew's information? What if his skip trace yielded no results? I'm giving you guys a direct Google link to Andrew, the home buyer. What a phone number. How dope is that? Super simple. So don't panic when you can't find an LLC or a business's phone number, or especially a wholesaler. Guys, LLCs are super hard to track, especially getting the members, getting their information, especially if they don't want to be found. If it's a lender, private money lender, we're going to give you the tools that we know we need to use. We need to Google this. That's the second choice. So pretty interesting, pretty great. I think this is all you need. Let's move along. Another thing I want you to see is just your saved searches, your saved runs. We're saving those for you. That's why we're naming them. So the one I just showed you earlier, Justin Test 79, let's go to open. Boom, we're back. We're back to the wholesaler. Then again, filter by name. Let's go home. Search the word home. Now it's all home. Let's search the word buyers. Look at that. Home sweet home buyers, hassle-free, AMN home buyers. Let's search. Let's go to this guy. Avondale. I have some information. Now we have this. We can click on his mailing address. Ooh, address not found. Pro tip: delete the address down to this house number. Look at that. So if you ever have address snafus, and this is so great. Copy and paste. Let's see if this works. Happy Valley. Look at this. 6635. Guys, check that out. It's going to a UPS store. All right. But that's pretty interesting. I don't know if you're ever going to find a software that's going to give you the ability to do that. We talked about this yesterday, and that's so funny. You're seeing things I'm seeing for the first time. We talked about the improvement because address searches, sometimes they become finicky, but we give you the ability to actually manipulate this because the way it's coming in is not the way it's actually being searched. And we're giving you the tools to actually start deleting this down to see if it populates. Pretty awesome. So I'm just so enthused. I'm so pleased with the way this is going and the way DealSauce 2.0 is in full control. This is a custom platform. There's not anyone like it. There's no white labels. This is truly ours. How about this? I want to see the flips in the last, I want to see 2 months, maybe folks that are doing wholesales all the way down to 6 months. 2 flips, and I just want people that have done maximum of 10 of them. This is probably not going to yield the most results, but let's see what it does. All right, 71 qualified flippers. How freaking awesome. But here's where it gets better. So we got everyone from Wholesale Auction Homes down to NCR Investments, Garrett Walker Homes. I think I know Garrett. Ashby Biggs Company. That looks like it's probably a self-directed IRA that someone probably bought 2 deals in, or it's a hedge fund. You're going to see a lot of cool names, things that you can't normally search. You'd have to go buy the property address and go find them yourself. So we're doing that for you. And some things like this we're going to get rid of. Right? This could have been a foreclosure and they resold it, but we're going to try to remove some of those for you. But just understand, like, you're going to get everybody that's transacting in that market. It's up to you to then understand who's who. But let's go Blackwell Design. They've done 3 flips. Purchase volume is $641,000. Sale volume 960. Known profit is about $300,000. Average month that it holds is 3.7 months. And then we're giving you the markets, Phoenix, Mesa, and Scottsdale that they've done deals in. Guys, then you get the properties, Blackwell, and then the new buyers are here. If there's other buyers, you now have more information. If not, you have the flipper. So what do flippers need? I mean, we could do a whole training on that on its own. We have the old photos. You're going to see the quality, the house that they have. What do they do? This was on market for 69 days. Assessor's information, first the MLS. Let's see who their lender is. Can we see who their lender is? I'm sure we can. Blackwell Design. Let's go to another one. This is a unit. So this is a condo or a townhome. Look at these big, awesome photos. Oh, look at that. Tammy Blackwell. So one would think, and the buyer agent, there's your buyer agent information. So here's the thing. You're putting 2 together, guys. There's so many ways you can dissect these listings and dissect the info that we're giving you at DealSauce. No one else is giving you this stuff. I just want to be very clear. If you really want comprehensive data, I'm not talking about some AI gimmick. This is the stuff that you need to start paying attention to. Tammy Blackwell. Well, we said it's Blackwell Design, right? Is that who sold this property? It was under Blackwell Design. Right here, seller. Pretty interesting. So now Tammy most likely is the wife and or the sole proprietor, or she's the listing agent and she's the investor who flipped this house. Do you think Tammy is a great person to talk to about this market? Maybe other deals, being a buyer. Does she need a TC? Do you think that she needs Gator? Does she need lending? Does she need more deals? How about, does she have contractors? She does design. Is she a stager? Looks like she probably does the staging. This doesn't look virtual in my opinion. So there's about 17 different things you can get from Tammy and or her company, Blackwell Design, by just having a conversation with her and asking, how can you provide value? Guys, this is the good stuff that we're doing over at DealSauce. I'm just super elated. This was not planned. You guys saw me go through this organically, and I'm super, super pumped for it. So I'm super pumped for you to be here with us, and then going through buyers. So if we have the flippers, the buyers, capital raiser, people that are lending on deals. Obviously, we went through the owner search. We could do a multitude of things on that. Go to builders, designers, contractors, wholesalers. It's all here. So, all right, guys, thank you for watching. Again, my name is Justin Tuminowski with Deal Sauce. If this video is on YouTube, thank you for being here. If you want to subscribe, please do so. If you are not on Deal Sauce yet, what the hell is wrong with you? Right now, the version you're seeing is probably going to change. It's going to keep evolving. However, I'm filming this July 9th of 2026. We just released it about a week ago, and this is brand new. Thank you for being here. So if you want to get Deal Sauce, how do I get it? SauceMyDeals.com. Go there. You get an annual plan. It's the best bang for your buck. Here's the cool thing about it. SauceMyDeals.com. If you buy a hot subscription, guys, the subscriptions, we're giving you 2 seats that are for free. So you bring team members with you, share an account. You be the account holder, have other people maybe that cannot afford a full account. Maybe they give you $50 a month. Maybe they give you $25 a month. It's all for free. We're not charging for extra seats. So we're already coming out of the gate giving you probably next to $100 worth of value for your subscriptions. So number one, SauceMyDeals.com, go get your subscription. If you're looking for an upgrade, there are upgrade buttons inside of your Deal Sauce platform. If you're on the mild and you need to upgrade and you want to get to hot, by all means, go inside your settings, go inside your profile. Right here, buy more credits, billing and usage, all that. That's the place you want to be. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate you so much. And I will see you on the next live.